These 3 legit apps can earn you over $100 in 24 hours, and the good thing is that they are completely free to use. So like this video, and let's start with the first website on our list called the Listverse.com. Listverse is a website where people share blog articles, stories, facts, and most types of different topics. But mostly here you can find different articles related to bizarre topics. So if you scroll down on their website, you can see different bizarre articles, stories, facts, and topics that you can read. Now the reason we are here is because if you click on the More section from the top of Listverse website, you can see that here you can get paid to even write. But don't worry, you don't need to write anything. I will show you a method to get everything done for you, so stay tuned until the end. So now if you click on the Write and Get Paid option from there, that's going to take you to this page, where you can see that you can get paid $100 from Listverse if you write just one article for them and they accept your article. Now here on this page, you can also read the terms and conditions to apply for this. As you can see here, they will pay you $100 for your efforts to write a small article for their website. And you don't even need to be an expert for this. You just need to have English equal to that of a native speaker, a sense of humor, and a love for unusual or interesting things. You can read this whole page for their conditions. After that, you can just click where it says the submission form, and you will be taken to this page, where you just need to enter your details, your PayPal ID, because they only pay you through PayPal. And then the most important thing, you need to enter the title of your article. In this box, you need to provide the introduction for your article. And then in this box, you need to write or copy paste your article, which can be 1,500 to 2,000 words long maximum. And to get the article, what you can do is you can come over to the ChatGPT and ask it to write completely new, bizarre fact stories under 1,500 words. And the ChatGPT will write an article for you. Now you can just copy paste this article to the Listverse if you want to, but I would suggest you to try to add some tweaks and changes to it so that it becomes your original article. After that, you can submit it to the website and you will get the reply from them, whether they accepted your article or not. And if they accept your article, you will get paid $100. Now the second website on our list is called the Atom.com. Here on Atom, you can get paid anywhere from $100, $200, $300, or even $600. All these are the winners of the prizes that you are seeing on your screen. So as you can see, Atom is world's #1 business naming platform. So the way they are making money here is by submitting name ideas for different businesses. So it's a contest website where businesses that are about to launch come here to ask people to give them recommendations as to what they can title and name the business. And the business name idea that wins gets hundreds of dollars for it. So to participate in this contest, all you have to do is to hover your mouse on Naming Contest and click on Become a Creative. Then just click on Get Started, submit your details, and that's it. You can then start to earn money by recommending the business name ideas. But keep in mind that they are not always free, and sometimes you have to pay to participate in these naming contests. Now the third legit website on our list is called the Hatchwise.com. It is also a similar website to Atom.com, but the only difference is that here you can also get paid for submitting logo ideas. So as you can see here, you can get paid anywhere from $50, $150, $200, or even over $250 per logo design you submit or per business name you recommend. And there is always some of these contests open for you. You can even use AI and other free tools like Canva to create these designs that you can submit. And if you win the contest, you can potentially get paid hundreds of dollars. Now, because you stayed so far, I would like to introduce the CoinBricks Crush Master app to you. CoinBricks app is a play-to-earn games app where you can earn money for playing this game. They are also the sponsors of this video, so I will leave a link to the CoinBricks app in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can install it from there, and this is how the CoinBricks game icon will look like. So just click on it and open it from there. Once you open the CoinBricks game for the first time, it will ask you to enter your name in this field. So let's enter our name CashPro in this box, and then we need to select our country from here and just click on this OK text right there. That's gonna take us to the homepage of the CoinBricks app. As you can see, right now we have 0 coins and 0 crystals in our account. And the first bonus tip is that I want you to come over to the settings from the bottom. And here, I want you to click where it says enter code. Then I want you to enter the bonus code CashPro in this box. And just hit this blue save button under this box. And boom, you will be credited with 1,500 coins in your brand new account for completely free, which are equal to $1.50. Now to start playing this game and to earn money with it, all you have to do is to click on the classic mode from there, and you will be taken to play this game. Now here you can see this white ball on the bottom of your screen. We need to shoot this ball by pointing at this yellow ball, and to do so, we just need to point it just like this, and then leave the screen. And the white ball will shoot the yellow ball, and we will get 2 balls now. So as you can see, now we have 2 X balls, meaning we have 2 balls now that we can shoot. So again, all we have to do is to point the white balls towards the yellow ball on the top of our screen, and the white balls will shoot the yellow ball down. And we will now have 3 white balls that we can shoot to earn more yellow balls and to complete this game. And the reason why we are collecting these balls is so that we can destroy these number boxes on our screen, like this 3 number box, 2 number box, and so on. So make sure you point the white balls in a direction to shoot the yellow ball and to destroy these boxes also. So just like this, we need to play this game. We need to destroy these boxes, and we also need to make sure that we get the yellow ball by shooting it down, because the more balls we collect by playing this game, the more boxes we will be able to destroy. The more boxes we destroy, the more score we will get. And the more score we get, the more money we can withdraw from CoinBricks game. After each shoot, the new boxes will appear, and you need to destroy these boxes by shooting white balls. When you get more balls that you shoot, sometimes the balls may take time to come back. And if the balls are not destroying any boxes, you can just click this 3 arrows with 1 ball's icon on the bottom left corner of your screen to bring back all the balls together so that you can shoot them again. Now, the second bonus tip is that you can see this rocket icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. This rocket can help you to vanish any one column of the number boxes. So once you have all white balls gathered together, you just need to click on this rocket icon, and it will give you these column lines, and all you have to do is to click on any one of them, and boom, the rocket will go and it will vanish that column. But now to use the rocket again, you will need to destroy some more boxes to get it enabled. So the more you keep playing this game, the more balls you will earn. The more balls will destroy the more number boxes, and the more number boxes you destroy, the more you will be able to use the rocket bonus. Also, the more money you will earn. Now, as you can see, I have earned over 7,000 score by playing this game, and for that score, I got 99 coins credited to my account. There is no limit on how much score you can earn. The more you play, the more coins you will earn. Now I want you to go to the homepage of the CoinBricks app, select the setting option from there, and rate this app on Google Play Store with your best reviews and feedback. And now to earn even more money with this app, what you can do is you can come over to the shop option from here. That's gonna take you to this page where you can see that you can get crystals for free, and you can get coins for free from here. Not only that, you can exchange your coins for the dark coins also. You need to earn 5,000 black coins to take withdrawal from the CoinBricks app. Now you can see that I have earned 1 crystal in my account, and I can earn 1 more crystal from here by pressing on free button and watching a 15 to 20 seconds of ad. And as you can see, I got another crystal for watching that ad. So just like this, we can watch an ad from here, and we can earn 6 coins for watching a 15 to 20 seconds of ad. So let's click on this free button, watch a simple ad, and boom. As you can see, I got credited with 6 more coins in my account. So you can leverage this method to earn unlimited amount of coins and crystals on CoinBricks app. Now let me earn some more coins and crystals by playing this game so that I can share with you my live withdrawal proof from here. So as you can see, I have earned 20,000 dark coins in my account, which I can withdraw by pressing this receive button right here. And on this page, I just need to enter an email ID for my account. Then from here, I need to select the payment method. So as you can see, we can get paid in PayPal here, we can get paid in Payeer, we can use the Pix to get paid, we can withdraw it through Binance, Indian users can withdraw through the Paytm also, and others can also use Mono account or the Bybit UID. You can choose any payment method you like, but I like PayPal the most, so I will go ahead with that. After that, I just need to enter my PayPal mail in this box, and I will get paid within 5 to 6 days. So let's wait for it. And as you can see, I have received the $20 from CoinBricks app partner to my PayPal account. Once again, I will leave a link to CoinBricks Play to earn games app in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can install it from there and start to earn money from today itself. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.